Welcome back. More than 300 TCU freshmen are trying to figure out where they're going to live for the rest of the semester because a pipe burst and flooded their dorms. Our Olivia Leach is on campus with what the school is doing to help those students who have nowhere else to go.
Picture this, you're a college student studying for an exam in your dorm room when water starts seeping from your ceiling. Next thing you know, your dorm building is being evacuated. That's what happened to more than 300 students who live in Colby Hall at TCU. Water began seeping from the ceilings around 4 p.m. yesterday, leaving students' belongings soaked and covered in pools of water. The freshman and girls-only dorm building had to be evacuated after a pipe burst in the building's attic.
By the time I found out that this flooding occurred, and made it back, my room was already destroyed.
We spoke to one student who lives in the building who asked we not show her face or give her name.
All I could do was just cry. I was just so shocked and panicked in that moment, like knowing that all of my things are gone. Now I don't have a home.
Many students are most concerned about their expensive electronics like laptops and chargers. We asked TCU if the university plans to reimburse students for their damaged belongings. All the school would tell us is that they're communicating with students.
Girls are feeling really overwhelmed. I mean, the scene yesterday was just awful. Girls crying, girls, not having family here to help them, not knowing what to do next.
The school says they're finding placement for students who have nowhere else to go. When we asked if that will include other student housing or hotels, they told us, quote, "For privacy and safety, we won't share specifics about accommodations, but every impacted student is being accommodated."
I feel like TCU is doing their best to provide resources to students, but it's still so overwhelming in the moment.
Now, TCU tells us some students were able to return to their rooms today, but repairs could take days to finish. At TCU, Olivia Leach, CBS News, Texas.